Hey, how's it going out there? And welcome to the channel to any first timers. On this Dive and Dine episode, I was real lucky to score a solid moo. It's one of my favorite fish to hunt because they always present a challenge. Unless you dive bomb them, almost always you're going to have to find a way to draw them towards you. Kind of a low shot here, so I made sure to baby the tension on the line so as not to let him rip off. They are known for pulling matrix moves. As with all fish, you want to scale it whole. And take your time, watch for the spines. Then remove the guts. Get yourself a good fillet knife, preferably one that can bend so it hugs the rib cage when cutting. In our house, we always save the head and bones for miso soup. Once you have your cuts ready, go ahead and lightly season them with some salt and black pepper. Then store them aside in the fridge for later. Starting on the miso marinade, grind up some ginger, about a tablespoon worth. Next, add in about a half cup of white miso paste. Remember, depending on how much you are cooking, to adjust the ratios. The miso recipe is literally on the back side of these miso packages. Cup of sake, cup of mirin, cup of sugar. Give it some whiskey business until smooth. Now we're going to pour the miso into Tupperware and place the fish face down. We're going to cover it and allow it to marinate for 24 hours. For best results, up to 2 days in the marinade. Okay, time to bake. You can use a sheet pan or casserole dish. Just make sure to coat the bottom with butter so that the fish won't stick as much. Place your fish at least an inch apart from each other, skin side down. And you're going to cook in a preheated oven for 375 Fahrenheit for approximately 30 minutes. Oops, this is what 40 minutes looks like. If your fish comes out a tad overcooked, just squeeze some lemon juice on it, it'll make it all better. Also, you can top it off with a little bit of green onions before you dig in. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time.